Welcome back! In today's video, I'll be giving some tips and tricks for Yiddish learners. There's more to learning a language than perfecting your grammar and filling your vocabulary. There are also some unspoken rules in every language which, when used correctly, make you sound like a native. In the case of Yiddish, there are a couple of things that native speakers do to cut corners, and today I'll be revealing our secrets. So buckle up and get ready, because I'll be teaching you how to speak Yiddish like a native. Here we go! The first thing that happens when a native Yiddish speaker speaks fast is that the first person pronoun, I, ich, becomes just the sound ch attached to the following verb. For example, we've got the verb sie laufen, to run. Ich lauf, I run, or in spoken Yiddish, ich lauf, I run. There's no Yiddish grammar book in the world that'll tell you to do this, but if you walk around a Yiddish-speaking community, don't be surprised if you hear it. Ich sitz, I sit, ich sitz. Ich spiel, I play, ich spiel. Another shortened version of a word that comes is when we want to say it is, es is. In shortened Yiddish, this becomes siz. This is not proper Yiddish, but it's much more efficient than saying es is. Some examples of what this sounds like: es is kalt in drossen, sis kalt in drossen. Es is bloi, sis bloi. This is used for third person as well. Instead of saying is, he is, we can say is. And instead of saying sie is, she is, we can say sie's. Is zufrieden. He is content. Ist zufrieden. Sie is shine. She is beautiful. Sie's shine. Next up, we have the grammatical cases. Yiddish uses 3 grammatical cases: nominative, accusative, and dative. In select dialects of Yiddish, these are still used in everyday speech, while in others, it is diminished in spoken language and is only used in written language. I grew up speaking Hasidic Yiddish, and in this dialect, Yiddish has been made more convenient by replacing the cases with something much simpler. Instead of saying der, die, dus, and dem as the word for the in the different cases, we just add the sound d before the object. For example, der Mensch hebt auf dem Schlüssel, the man picks up the key, becomes der Mann hebt auf den Schlüssel. It's just less brainwork this way, so it somehow got integrated into everyday language. Like I've said before though, written Yiddish kept its cases. Not every case is completely abolished though. When using dem, the word the in masculine accusative and dative and neuter dative, it's often boiled down to the last letter instead of the first like we saw before. For example, fin dem from the becomes finum. In this situation, the grammatical case is marked by the although this applies to very precise cases. Here's an example: Ich kim fin dem Geschäft. I am coming from the store. This could be said as Ich kim finum Geschäft. You could tell it's accusative through the use of from dem. And for bonus points, I said Ich kim instead of Ich kim as well. That's it for today! Does your language have any shortcuts for the spoken everyday lingo? I'd love to hear them in the comments. Tack för idag, litraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!